Biology. See, we are discussing about the question number 62. In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves transfer of which one of the following into the fallopian tube? Answer is embryo only up to 8 cell stage. In vitro fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes outside the body in laboratory, which leads to formation of zygote. These zygote which contain up to 8 cell stage, we can transfer into fallopian tube. But if it is developed more than 8 cell stage, we have to transfer into uterus. Here they asked fallopian tube, hence before 8 cell stage or up to 8 cell stage, embryo only. Okay, 62 option A is correct. After that we have to discuss about 63. The signals for the parturition originated from. The signals for parturition means delivery of baby. The signals for delivery of baby originated from placenta as well as fully developed fetus. Fully developed fetus and placenta form pressure on the wall of uterus, which leads to mild uterine contraction. This mild uterine contraction again responsible for the release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary gland. This oxytocin again act on uterine smooth muscle for contraction, that is called strong uterine contractions. Here the signals for parturition originated from the placenta as well as fully developed fetus. Option B is correct for question number 63. Next, question number 64. The first two movements of the fetus and appearance of hair occurs at which month? See, here they asked the question, when the first movements of the fetus and appearance of hair occurs in the fetus during pregnancy. Answer for this is 5th month. Option B is correct. At 5th month we can see the appearance of hair and the first two movements. That is about the question number 64. Next, after the question number 64, we have to discuss question number 65. In the question number 65, they have given that which one of the following statement is about morula in humans is correct. Okay, morula in humans, which they given 4 statements in the A, B, C, D options. We have to identify that in which statement is correct, which is related to morula. Okay, what is the morula? First we have to see. If you see the morula, after the fertilization, zygote is formed in fallopian tube. That zygote involved in cleavages then become into a morula. Morula means it is the embryo which contain embryonic stage which contain 8 to 16 cells. Okay, during cleavages what happen? The size of the zygote will not increase, but inside the zygote the DNA replication occurs, hence the DNA amount will be doubled continuously. Okay, the zygote contains same stage and morula also contains same stage, but zygote contain the DNA content of zygote and the morula is different. Why? Because DNA is complete. During cleavages what happen? The replication of DNA occurs, which leads to increase of DNA amount. Here in the 65 question, option A, it has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as uncleaved zygote, but much more DNA. They given that in option A, which contain equal quantity of cytoplasm. Zygote and morula contain equal quantity of cytoplasm, correct only, and but morula contain more amount of DNA. Okay, hence option A is related to morula. Question number 65, option A is correct. Question number 66. Fetal ejection reflex. Fetal ejection reflex in females. Fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by. Option B is correct. Fetal ejection reflex in females induced by fully developed fetus and placenta. Already I have told that fully developed fetus and placenta responsible for mild uterine contractions. Mild uterine contractions again responsible for release of oxytocin. Oxytocin again helped in parturition. Here question number 66 option B is correct. Fully developed fetus and placenta are induce the maturation. Question number 67, a change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect. Change in the amount of yolk and its distribution is affect the cleavage. Okay, type of cleavage is based on the amount of yolk which is present in the egg and its position. That is about question number 67. Option A is correct for question number 67. After the question number 67, we have to discuss about the question number 68. In the question number 68, they have given that which extra embryonic membrane in humans prevents desiccation of the embryo inside uterus. Desiccation of embryo inside the uterus. If you see the uterus, inside the uterus surrounding to fetus, we can see the layer that is called amnion. This amnion is filled with the amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid which present inside the amnion responsible for the prevention of desiccation of fetus. Hence question number 68 option D is correct, amnion. Next question number 69, during embryonic development the establishment of polarity along anterior, posterior, dorsal, ventral or medial lateral axis is called. Option B is correct for this one, organizer phenomena. In organizer phenomena we can see all those things. Okay, question number 69 option B is correct. After that, in question number 70 we can see that cleavage in mammalian egg is unequal holoblastic. Unequal means after the cleavage in the two cells, one cell big, another cell is small. Holoblastic means completely two cells are completely formed. Okay, one is long, one is small, one is large and another one is small. That is called holoblastic incomplete cleavage, unequal holoblastic cleavage. Question number 70 option C is correct. Next question number 71, extra embryonic membranes of the mammalian embryo are divided from. Extra embryonic membranes of mammalian embryo are divided from trophoblast. Trophoblast is the outermost layer of blastocyst. The extra embryonic layer that are amnion, yolk sac, okay, chorion, all are developed from the trophoblast layer. Extra embryonic membranes are developed from the trophoblast layer of blastocyst. Hence question number 71 option B is correct. Question number 72, gonads developed from embryonic. Actually gonads are developed from mesoderm. Okay, from mesoderm. There is three germ layers are there, ectoderm. There is three embryonic layers are there, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Few types of organs produced from ectoderm, few types of organs produced from endoderm, few types of organs are produced from mesoderm. Here gonads are produced from the mesoderm. Hence question number 72 option C is correct. Thank you. For more updates on biology, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.